Okay students, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು diseases caused by the bacteria ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ diseases caused by the protozoans ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು that is about the malaria. Okay, so what is this malaria? Malaria, it is a protozoal disease caused by the protozoa that is called as the Plasmodium. Plasmodium anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so there are different species of Plasmodium that will cause the malaria. ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ? So ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum. Okay, so out of these species, the malaria caused by the Plasmodium falciparum is the most malignant one, that is dangerous one. Okay, so as example ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ the life cycle of Plasmodium ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, it is very important as per as the final examination is concerned. Okay, so 1 mark ಅಲ್ಲಿ question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 mark ಗೆ whole life cycle ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, now let us study about the life cycle of the Plasmodium. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So this Plasmodium, it is transmitted from one person to another person by means of a vector, that is female Anopheles mosquito. This female Anopheles mosquito, it acts as the vector for the transmission of this malarial Plasmodium from one person to another person. Artha aita? So let us study the life cycle of this Plasmodium. When the infected female Anopheles mosquito bites to the healthy person, then the Plasmodium present in the saliva of that mosquito is in the form of the sporozoite. Nenpittukodri, sporozoite. This is the infectious form of this Plasmodium. Okay, so when the female Anopheles, infected female Anopheles mosquito bites to the healthy person, then the Plasmodium, which are in the infected form, infectious form, that is in the sporozoite form, it will enter into the human body. Then it enter into the blood. Okay, through the blood it enters into the liver. Inside the liver ಏನಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ this parasite, that is Plasmodium, it is reproduced by the asexual reproduction in the liver cell. Then as a result the liver cell burst, ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದ burst ಆಗ್ತದ. Then this Plasmodium, this parasite enter into the blood ಒಳಗೆ enter ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So then this parasite in the blood, that is red blood cells, RBCs, again reproduced by the asexual reproduction. Okay, so then it will result in the bursting of red blood cells. Red blood cells kuda enagtade burst agtade. As a result of the rupturing of red blood cells enagtade, then there is a production of one type of chemical substance, toxic chemical substance, that is called as the hemozyne. One toxic substance is released due to the rupturing of RBC. Hemozyne is released. This hemozyne is responsible for the chill and fever, which recurring for every 3 to 4 days. Okay, so next, inside the blood cell, these Plasmodium, it will produces the gametophytes. ಎಲ್ಲಿ RBC ಒಳಗೆ gametophytes ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. That is male and female gametophytes are produced. Okay, all this happens in the human host body. Okay, then this male and female gametophytes are present in the infected person's blood. When another mosquito bites to this infected person, then it will absorb the male and female gametes. This male and female gametes enters into the another mosquito body. In that mosquito, these male and female gametes will fuse. That is, fertilization takes place inside the stomach of the mosquito. As a result of this, again sporozoites are produced. These sporozoites present in the stomach of the mosquitoes will migrate to the salivary glands. Salivary glands ge migrate ಆಗ್ತಾವು, transfer ಆಗ್ತಾವು. Okay, then if this mosquito bites to another healthy person, then it will transfer into the healthy person. Okay, like this the process will continues. What surprised here is this Plasmodium requires 2 host bodies to complete its life cycle. You can see here, human host body for the asexual reproduction, okay, and the mosquito body for the sexual reproduction. So it requires 2 host body for the completion of its life cycle. Note, illond very important point is inside the liver cell, this Plasmodium will multiply by the asexual reproduction anta helidvi. Asexual reproduction yaudu? That is by the multiple fission that you studied in the first topic. So this is about the life cycle of Plasmodium. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask it now.